Hello, I'm Matt with DIY Retain Wall. We help you prepare for your retain wall project by providing with knowledge, resources, and engineering to complete your wall successfully. If you are wondering what a retain wall is, I like to use this analogy. Like a dam holds back water, a retaining wall holds back soil or retains the soil. You can take a slope, flatten it out with a retaining wall, and regain valuable space on your property. Or you can drastically reduce the cost of a bridge by shortening its overall length with retaining walls. Whether you are a contractor that builds walls, an owner trying to navigate the permit process, or an engineer trying to design a retaining wall yourself, we have the tools, services, and expertise for you. We have step-by-step guides, courses, videos, and articles that will help you get started. And if you determine that you need an engineer, we provide engineering drawings within 7 days so that your project will not be delayed. And if you just want to consult with an engineer and a retaining wall expert, we provide consulting calls as well. To find out more about us, go to www.diyretainingwall.com or subscribe to us on YouTube. We look forward to working with you.